I've got it. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the next stage on the restoration on the P1 jump bike. We've got the frame here, it's all bagged. I'll stick a picture up of the bike now. Now this is the frame that we did. If you've missed out on the video, it is on the channel, guys, you can watch that video. But this is all denim frame on that. So that's all done, that's good for clear coat. Now today's video we're concentrating on the parts. I've got the parts just here. So they're the parts that we're doing, and we've got to get these into a primer. Now these are alloy, a lot of these are all alloy parts. So I'm going to go in with an epoxy primer. I've prepped all these up off camera, gave them a 180 down, cleaned them all up where I needed to. On the pedals I used a wire brush on a drill and just cleaned all the pedals up. So they're good to go. We're going to drop this epoxy down on all these and then we can start the base coats, because we've got denim to do, we've got copper effect to do. There's a lot to do, guys. So enjoy the video, grab yourself a drink and we'll get these bits done. See you in a bit. Right guys, we got all the epoxy primer down and that's been drying off, and now I've just started to do the copper base and that's looking really nice. So that's two colours of copper I've got. That's a golden one and another water based one, and I've just mixed them together to create my own sort of custom copper colour. It's got a really nice metallic in that. So I'm just going to continue on with these little bits. I'm just going in nice and light as this is a water base. I'm just dropping a coat down, let it go off. And just dusting it on, let that go off and just keep building the layers up as you go along. And we'll get these down. Right guys, I didn't capture much in today's video on painting, but I wanted to get all these things into clear coat, and things happen. My diesel heater's gone down, the actual thermostat's blown, so I can't get it to pump out any heat, so I cannot warm the studio up. So I'm struggling today with drying paint, and I don't want to go and hit this with clear coat and completely ruin it after all these hours of work. So I've got to order a new thermostat for that so I can get that up and running. But we've got all the pieces that I wanted to get done today. They're all ready for clear. I'll give you a little pan round and a little talk through of where we are and what's coming up in the next stages. So as you can see on that table there, I've just done a black backdrop just to make this pop a little bit more. You've got the P1 frame all in the denim effect. So you've got all your stitching going around all the welds. We've got the copper pieces done today, so that's the seat clamp, and I think that blends across to the blue really nice. Moving down, we've got the 2 crank arms in copper, the chain ring that's going to go in on copper as well. Back up to the frame, you've got your stitched in Specialized there on the frame, and then coming up this side of the frame you've got the Specialized logo, which is like a patch that's stitched and got like the embroidering. Moving up, you've got more denim textures. You've got the P1 logo stitched in with the 2 copper rivets either side on there. To the front you've got the Specialized logo with the zip that opens up both sides. We've got the pedals, they're all redone and blacked in stone chip, which will just make them last a little bit longer. We've got the stem, top of the stem in the copper, and the bottom part of the stem. We've got the bars, and I've done the Levi's logo on the bars there with the denim textures coming across the bars. And then to finish, we've got the rear brake in the copper and the actual lever done in copper as well. So they're all the bits complete. I think with the 2-tone with that copper and the blue, it just looks really cool, guys. It's just bang on colour matching for that, I think, because you've got your little press studs that go around the frame in the same colour as this. So that's where we are. We've just got to get these clear coated up. The next stage to do on this is the wheels, and as I had trouble yesterday with the wheel, which is no good, I've now got to order a new wheel. The forks, I've got the front wheel that's okay, so we can do the copper on the rims. We've got to do the denim on the forks, and we've got to do a denim seat post. So there's still quite a bit to do, guys, before we get to clear coat, and I want to clear coat this all in one hit. I don't want to be doing bit here and a bit there. I just like to get one batch of clear done, get it all cleared, and then it's all good to go. So that's where we are. So I hope you can join me in the next one, which will be wheels, forks, seat post and clear coat, and then we'll get this finished, and then the last one will be the rebuild, and you'll get to see this in the flesh all built up. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you are new to this channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, give us a thumbs up, guys. It does help this channel grow. We need to get the views up and get the subs going on this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.